Hello everyone, take the top section of the hair, make 2 sections out of it and then begin to braid it. Taking one of the sections, as you progress with the braid, include more and more sections of the hair into it. Include these sections only on one side, and that is the side that is closer to the face. Now once you're done with all of the sections, begin to normally braid the hair and leave the rest of the hair free. Join this at the back. Next section out the front of the hair, make multiple sections on the side. Make a section at the back as well. Roll this back section in on itself. Make 2 braids out of it as such and then make it into a bow shape at the back. As for the bottom, make 2 ponytails out of it. Take the front section of the hair, make a ponytail out of the back. As for the front, divide it into 3 parts on one side. Taking the middle portion, divide it into 2 parts, attach it on either side, and then join them all together until they form one portion. Add a decorative ribbon to it and then include it as one of the sections while you braid the hair. Wrap this up into a bun once you're done. Next, divide the hair into 3 parts. Once you have done this, add a decorative bow with a ribbon to it at the top. Using the ribbons as one of the sections, begin to braid the hair. As you progress with this braid, this is what it should look like. Do this for the other side as well, and then roll the braids upwards once you're done. Next, make multiple sections out of the front of the hair. At the back as well, make multiple sections out of it. Join all of it together and then proceed to add much more rubber bands to it as you go on. This will be the final look of the hair. Next, we will start off by tying a ponytail to the hair and then add a decorative ribbon to it. Make a bow out of this decorative ribbon, divide it into 2 portions. Using this ribbon as one of the sections, make a braid out of the hair. Next, we will start off by taking the top of the hair. Now, tie a rubber band to it, roll the hair in on itself and tighten it. Take 2 more sections right underneath it and join it. Roll the hair in on itself as such. Do the same until you reach the base and then make a braid once you do. Once you are done with this, roll this braid upwards and then tie it up in place. You may use a decorative rubber band in order to do so. Next, take the front section of the hair and then divide it into 2 parts at the top. Once you are done with this, include the 3rd section and then begin to braid the hair. All of the sections that you are including should be from the front of the hair as such. Once you are done with this, tie a rubber band to the base of it. Leave the rest of the hair free, then take a section from the middle at the back, divide it into 3 parts and then begin to braid the hair. As you progress with this braid, include more and more sections of the hair into it as such. Continue to do so until you reach the base. Once you reach the base, join all of it together, roll it upwards and then add a decorative rubber band to it. Take a section from the top right underneath it, make another section and another one. After making your base section, tie it all up until you reach the bottom. Thank you for watching.